Hi everyone, I'm Olivia Todd with the Fort Worth Public Library, and welcome to Just a Dab. Today, we'll be exploring color transitions and using a stencil to create a pattern. This elementary art video tutorial goes with our Just a Dab art kits, but you can still participate at home if you have a few simple things. The tools we're using for this painting are a sponge, washi tape, and a stencil. The paint we are using is washable tempera paint. To allow us to get the most out of our paint, I recommend using a flat paint palette or plastic plate. Only put out a few drops at a time, that way you use only what is needed. This will help make a small amount of paint last us through 8 paintings. For this painting, we're going to start with 2 colors for the first layer. I recommend at least one of them be a primary color, but it's your art and you can pick what's beautiful to you. I'm going to use red and yellow. I'm going to use some of our washi tape from the kit to hold my stencil in place. Now I'm going to use a clean corner of the sponge and we'll take some dabs of red paint and press gently up and down over the design in the stencil. If we press too firmly, the paint will start to bleed through, so go gently with just a few drops of paint at a time. Now I'm going to take the same corner I used for red and pick up some yellow. See how it makes a beautiful shade of orange? When I'm done with my orange, I'm going to use a clean corner to pick up some yellow to give us a bright yellow flower. After this, we'll need to rinse off our stencil. Now it's time to wait for this layer to dry. While you wait, I recommend reading the picture book Swatch, The Girl Who Loved Color by Julia Dinos. It should take about 5 minutes to dry, but if it isn't ready after 5 minutes, set a timer for a few more minutes and come back to it. Everyone will have different stencils in their kit, so you can place the design on your paper how you like it. You could even add in other florist techniques that we've used in other Just a Dab videos. You're the artist, so trust your ideas and try new things. Okay, it's time to add some more colors. I think I want to do green, blue, and purple to finish out the rainbow. Blue is related to both of those colors, so I'll start there. When my blue flower is finished, I'm going to add some red and white paint to the blue to make purple. When I'm finished with my purple flower, to keep the next color bright, rinse off the stencil again. Green is not related to purple, so I'm going to use a clean corner of my sponge to add in the green flower. All done! Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to wash out your stencil, palette, and sponge and let them dry so they're ready for next time.